Magiging masaya ka ba kung makakasakit ka ng iba? Nag-cheat na sa'yo? Oh my goodness. You know, second chances are okay for as long as it's not because of the same mistake. Kung asawa mo to, wala kang choice. Diba? Kasi asawa mo na yan, diba? Pero kung boyfriend, girlfriend mo pa lang yan, tapos nag-cheat na sa'yo, oh my goodness. Walang guarantee na hindi niya yan uulitin ulit. Papatawarin mo nga, pagkatapos lagi mo namang susumbatan. Di move on to the next. Ganun lang yon. Next chapter of your life. Hindi ko sinasabing next person in line. Okay. Magiging masaya ka ba kung makakasakit ka ng iba? Ikaw ba? Ayaw mo bang irespeto din ng iba ang relasyon mo? O di wait for your turn ka na lang muna. Pag-pray mo na magkahiwalay silang dalawa, 'di ba? Tapos antay-antay ka lang for your turn. Huwag ganun. Kasi siguro kung sa'yo din naman gagawin yon, baka naman hindi ka rin maging masaya. So, respect relationships. Kasi at the end of the day, nakuha mo man yung gusto mo. Tapos nakasakit ka naman ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi rin maganda yun.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.